Hey guys, welcome back to Oliver Plays. Today, I'm gonna show you, wait a second. That's not what I'm gonna show you. I gotta turn on our process Fury. What was that? So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show you how to use amiibos multiple times in one day. You might have already figured this out by watching either another video or just figuring it out yourself. Wait a second. I gotta go get my amiibos. I have all of them. Okay, I'm gonna go away for a bit. Okay, I got my amiibos. I don't know why that took so long. I do. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Twilight Princess Super Smash Bros. Amiibo, which I'm gonna try to get the Twilight Bow with. So, oops. I haven't been playing this game. There we go. I'm gonna see if I can get the Twilight Bow from this. Why is the camera move so slow? I'm used to Wind Waker, so it's opposites. Moving the camera. Really? Okay. So then, you're gonna want to go here, save, exit out again. Go to settings. Go all the way down to systems. So you go down, date and time. Oh, and this would be on. So turn that off. Do this. Change the day. Click OK. And go back. And here, get back into your game, and then you can use it one more time. So I'm gonna try to get the Twilight Bow. It's the only thing I don't have right now is the Twilight Bow and the big Goron sword. If you hear that loud noise, it's my little baby brother throwing stuff everywhere. He's wild. And then you can use it again. I'm not familiar. I know that. Okay, then see if I can get it. Ready? Let me see if I can get it. Ah! Look at him. Ready, set, let's do this. Ah! Whoa. I want my master sword. Guess I'll use this. I don't want a bow. I want to be the Wind Waker. Be Link from the Wind Waker. Okay, okay. What is wrong with my shield? Just floating on my back. Okay, let's end this video. I'm gonna end in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 7, 3, negative 1,001 million. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Turn it off.